What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video. So here we have your USD, you entered these cells, okay, great. Overall, you must notice that we just took previous high, we went for internal liquidity, we may go for more, but overall we're bullish. The trade before this one, it was great, it looks great. High taken out, change of Carter, perfect continuation to the downside, yeah. Do we need to see buys on USD? No, not really, not necessarily, but I'm not that interested into the sales for now. As overall, let me show you. As overall, here we were on this uptrend. Here we retraced to the downside after creating this major 4-hour change of Carter, and we might still take this external liquidity, fill this imbalance, reach this supply, and then maybe continue to the downside. Overall, I would say, overall here, we cannot argue that we are not bearish. Of course, we're bearish. We are bearish. We are in a bearish trend, totally. But zooming in, I'm not that confident of saying that from here, we can enter these cells to target a new low. Not at all for me. I would rather wait for higher areas, also because of pricing. And we're still not at premium in this move. So I would rather wait for premium areas to be reached in order for me to consider a trade. I'm starting to like also US 30 sometimes. I still haven't traded it, but I've been looking at it for a while. It's not so bad. Looks pretty good sometimes, I would say. So be ready in case any signal on on US 30 comes. All right. Any other question? I haven't checked gold in a while. Oh, there is a question. Does gold have confirmation? Confirmation for what? For sales. So let me see. So we are in a very strong uptrend. We reached this supply, but keep in mind that reaching supply doesn't mean anything unless we have a very strong confirmation. Here, what we have is just breaks of structure, retracements, And these, you know, I either have a clear structure or this. How can I enter cells when I see this? It just doesn't make sense for me to enter cells from here. I would rather wait for a deeper mitigation into the supply, some structure being created, and then a confirmation inside the area. Or more risky, this is the best option. More risky is that we already had confirmations for cells here. Now I'm not interested in anymore because we reached the demand, but if we were able to take this trade, and here we have confirmation, and if you take this trade, where is it? Here. Let's say that you don't enter perfectly, and maybe you enter, let's say you enter here, not perfectly at the top, but you enter there, stop loss just above it, and you target the demand that was reached. That's already a very good trade, and you're done for the day. You can also target previous areas already at 1 to 5. You're done for the day. This is already a confirmation after going above Asian range, tapping into supply, confirmation, continuation to the downside. This is great. Now, now that we're coming back, let's say that we reach this supply. I'm not really that confident in entering sales because we already reached the demand. We didn't break the demand. Demand is still in control, and I'm not that interested. Can you explain my question, please? Which question? Sorry, there's just a lot of people writing and I can miss them sometimes. Let me see. Let me see if I can find. About the fake change of character on GU on Wednesday. Wednesday was the 27th. This one, yeah, perfect. Yeah, I already explained it. I already showed this one. Where is the magnet? Magnet is here. Why? Uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Low, high, low, high. We have break of structure. Where is, even here we have change of character, where is the demand in control? Demand in control is this one. We're still in this uptrend. After we tap into this demand, continue to the upside, we have this supply. People want to enter from supply. We have change of character right here. We have first this one right here on lower time frames. Then we have a bigger one, change of character right here, and then price just doesn't hold it. Why doesn't it hold? Because we are targeting external liquidity. This is a weak high. It's not a strong high. Those lows can't be seen as liquidity. Which lows? These lows? No. This is the strong low, the latest low from which we start the move to the upside, which breaks structure. And these are not equal lows. Also, these are not equal lows. So these cannot be seen as liquidity to target. Let me see something. The cat was, I just want to see how it, yeah, it just goes to the upside. For now. Good. So this live trading is over. Thank you for connecting. I will upload the recording. I hope you liked it. I will see you next week again, and just prepare your questions. Next week we go again with another live trading.